Now I need a drink. I loved it.
Here we go. Arm up. Woo! Yes! Woo! Air time! Woo!
Air time again, Paul!
Ready? On top! Air time! Woo! And again! Woo! Yes! Woo! Oh, trim brake! Woo! Woo! The brake rod. Well done. Look at that. Scared to go on it first. Arms up in the air, nearly back row. Well done. Well done, mate. Absolutely brilliant ride. Absolutely love the back. So much better. Air times literally throws you out your seat. So much quicker. Yeah, that's it. Get your arms up and enjoy it. Here we go, Mako, Ty's first hyper coaster. I'm in the seat, I've got myself a little wheel gap there, look at that little gap going on. Ty, you excited? No. Here we go. Get yourself a little gap, so when you go over the airtight wheel, you literally come out your seat. The best feeling in the world. Here we go. Ready?
No.
Air time! Woo! Woo! Air time! Woo! And again! Woo! And Hey! There you go, Ty, your first hyper coaster, and you can see by your hair you liked it.
No, I really like that. My eyes
Yeah.
got out, oh, God.
Brilliant, well done for getting on it. What did you think?
Fun.
Absolutely brilliant, isn't it?
Yeah.
There we go, guys. Like I said, try it first. If you don't like it, don't go on it again.